Hey guys, what's going on? It's Andrew from AR Media, and tonight's video I want to review MoviePass. So for those who aren't familiar, MoviePass is a subscription service, so for $9.99 a month, you could see a movie a day. So a movie a day is a really good deal, especially where I live. So I live in New York, and the average movie is around $16 to $17. So I was super pumped to get this in. So I ordered it on the website. It was super simple to get through the order, and then it took about 2 weeks to get here. Now once it arrived, I really wanted to put it to use, so I actually went and saw Insidious this weekend. So the app is actually really simple. You just download it from the App Store, and from there you could put in your location and it will show you all the theaters that support MoviePass. Luckily for me, most of the theaters on Long Island support it, at least all of the theaters that I go to support it, so it wasn't a problem at all. From there, you could click on the theater and it will show you all the movie listings for that day. Now, the MoviePass does not support 3D or IMAX, but that's pretty acceptable. I wouldn't really expect them to, considering how high those prices are. And I'm not a fan of 3D in the theater anyway. I know I might get some hate on that, but personally, I'm just not that big of a fan on it. Now, I gotta say that I was pretty worried going into this. I didn't think that the service was going to be so smooth. It sounded a little bit too good to be true, and I gotta say that it went very smooth. There was not a hiccup. I went to the theater, I checked in, and the way it works is you have to go to the theater and be within 100 yards of the theater to check in. Once you check in, it puts money on that MoviePass debit card for you to go to the normal ATM machine at the movie theater, or for you to go to the front kiosk and purchase a ticket with that actual debit card. So you're still able to pick the seats and all that good stuff. It's just like buying a normal movie ticket. So let's say you're going to go on a Friday night and you think it's going to be sold out. You're still able to go Friday morning to the theater early, check in, pick your seats, get your tickets, and go back later, which I found to be very good. So really the only disadvantage is you can't get the tickets, you know, from your car or from your home like you can with the Fandango app. But for $9.99 a month and to not pay $16 to $17 a movie, I found this an absolutely fantastic deal. Now, there's really not much else I could go over in this MoviePass deal besides that is, if you go to one movie a month, depending on where you live, it is worth it in my opinion. Now, the reason I ordered this and the reason I tested this was because I did think it was too good to be true, and I wanted to do a test for my subscribers. You know, I'm not getting paid by them. I'm actually paying for a subscription. This is a true, real, honest test. I went into it with a lot of doubts and left very, very satisfied. I can't wait to use it again. I plan to go see Lady Bird tomorrow with the MoviePass, and I'm pumped to go see it. Anyway, guys, I hope you liked this video. I hope you found this informative. For $9.99, it's an absolute steal. Let me know down below if you already have MoviePass, if you plan on signing up, and have a good night, guys.